Citizen App Review. Let's get started. So, what is Citizen? Citizen is a real time safety alert app that monitors emergency radio feeds like 911, incidents, and user uploaded videos to notify you about emergencies nearby, like crimes, fire accidents, and often faster than official source. So, how it works? It works like a real life alert that can be life saving. So, when the app was good, according to this person, you get relevant alerts and reach the scene before the police. It also has a protect mode which adds extra safety. The only downside is though, and the major drawbacks is that it is fear driven, so they have paywalled alerts. They have high volume of false or minor alerts like it has extremely wrong and does nothing but stroke fear. So it over exaggerates the fear of people and the postings, and it also has a paid live streamers and in-device coverage. So that Verge reported that netizens paid contractors to livestream incidents, and it's raising concerns about the reality and sensationalism. And it also has a past false manhunt, which also pose privacy risks. So, in conclusion, Citizen is not a scam. It is an app and it's legitimate, but it's widely used for safety app that has saved people in genuine emergencies. However, its value depends heavily on your location, subscription status, and emotional resilience to constant alerts.